We've got choreographed dancing here going downhill. U5000, one pushing, one pulling. Don't think so. Look at the closeness there. Bit of precision happening here, Jim. Keep it cool. Dan and Jim, keep it cool. We don't want to see you touch. Looking good, boys. Looking good, Dan. Keep it steady. I think Jim's enjoying every moment of this. Look at him. He's loving it. There, just there. He'll drop down on top of Dan now. Compression of the motor will hold the truck in place. That's it. She'll be red on red if they touch. How elegant is that manoeuvre, eh? Look at the angle on Jim's truck. I'll make it look even worse. Look at that. Woo. Almost level. Not. I think they're safe on terra firma. Look at the paparazzis here for the event. Gathered from far and wide. That's the event. Well done, boys.